Welcome everyone, I'm Eszter Kovács here at Amsterdam Drone Week second day, and I am here at our booth with Shoji Nishimura-san, who is the COO of Intent Exchange. So welcome in the show.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for...
Thank you so much. So Intent Exchange is a new company.
Yes.
Just recently established.
Yes.
So if someone doesn't know,
Yep.
could you please introduce Intent Exchange?
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So I'm Shoji Nishimura and the CEO of the Intent Exchange. Intent Exchange is a tech startup in Japan and then established in February 28th, 2023. And then so this company is a carve-out company from the NEC Corporation. NEC is one of the biggest electric and IT company in Japan. And then so our CEO and I was research laboratory member in NEC. And then so we developed a kind of artificial intelligence, AI technology. And then we bring this AI and try to apply this technology to the UTM technology and the other related system. Yeah.
So it's like an algorithm.
Yep.
What you develop with AI.
Yeah.
If I understand well, right?
Yeah.
And why this UTM algorithm is different than other UTM algorithms?
Yes.
And
yeah. Okay. This AI is so we call the automated negotiation AI, and then so it's kind of digitalize conversation between the stakeholders, and then so negotiation process is a very complicated one and very time consuming, and then so we try to replace by the AI technology. And then originally, so we applied the dictionary to the to remove the air confliction.
Air confliction.
Yes, yeah. And then so currently, this resolve this confliction is based on the human conversation, and then so we try to replace and then so extend scale the UTM operations.
Yeah, so you digitalize those data and exchange on the confliction. And, we had another chat. You also included the SORA methodology into the software and into your smart solution, right?
Yes, right. So basically, we focus on the air risk and the ground risk. So UTM technology is mainly focused on the air risk. And then so on the other hand, so we eliminate the ground risk.
Yeah.
And then so now we developed a new technology to reduce ground risk. And then so we call it digital ground risk assessment technology. And then so this technology is kind of visualize the ground risk. And then currently, so the assess the ground risk. So many operators follows JRAS SORA specification, but its process is assume that human being operate this assessment. And then so this is a very labor intensive one. And then so we read JRAS SORA specification. The core concept of ground risk is multiplication of potential factors. Yeah. And then so within these components, so we focus on the two components. First one is area collision. So this means when some aircraft is loss of control, so this aircraft, where this aircraft falling to, and that's all. And then another component is density of the population.
Population density.
Yeah. And then so if aircraft fall to the high density population, so it's a very high risk. And then so this process, so we apply the digital technology and then visualize which area is so high in risk,
Yeah.
and then what part of flight plan
Is
is
it safe?
Yeah, safe. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
safe.
yeah, yeah,
Risk free or
Risk
lower
free. Yeah,
risk
yeah, yeah.
free. And it's a relatively new concept,
Yeah.
right? This AI
Yeah.
software, and I'm just thinking, like, you already have great partners with government level.
Yeah.
So you already established partnerships.
Yeah.
Can you share more information about
Okay.
those partners?
Okay, okay. So this technology itself is developed under the NATO Realm project, and the NATO is a research foundation organization, and then it's backed up by the Ministry of Economy, Industry, and Technology, and then so NATO project is support to extend drone industry. And also to create a new law scheme.
Yeah.
So so within this project, so we developed a UTM technology, and then so ground risk assessment technologies, and then so some proposal for the new regulation. Yeah, and then so through this project, so we deeply communicate with JCAB. JCAB is the authority in aircraft, and then so we try to push our idea, and then so to spread this idea in Japan. Yeah.
And I guess you are here in Amsterdam Drone Week to set up partnerships with
Yeah.
European
Yeah.
entities as well.
Yeah.
So you're looking to also come to Europe with this
Yeah.
solution.
Yes, yes, yes. And then so our development is based on the international standardization, and then so this means so we do not only focus on the Japan, but also the whole world.
Yeah.
And then so that's why so we are here. And then so by chance I have many chance to talk to the authorities in Europe, and then so they show the very great interest about our solution.
And how do you like Amsterdam Drone Week? This is first time for you here in Amsterdam. So
yeah, so I say so very energetic.
Yes.
Yes, and then so especially so regulators and the other drone manufacturers so shows a very strong interest, and then so I feel very happy to show to share our ideas. Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for being a guest at our show. And thank you so much for everyone watching. Please do follow us, drop us a like. And we will put Intent Exchange webpage in the description. So please check out, what they do. And thank you again for being in the show.
Yeah, thank you.